Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some different puzzles that you can add to your modern Hello Neighbor to add some, like interest and I guess you know what I said. Like pizzazz or like something interesting you can add like to your mods. And a lot of these are pretty simple to set up, and some of them are hard and complicated and you have to code. My world has been updated. My map, I've updated this a bit. Slightly different. There's all this here I'm working on. Oh god, no. I gotta stop doing that. I was looking at puzzle ideas on the internet. I couldn't find any, but this is a video. If you want puzzle ideas and like videos in the future. And first up, I have a little list in front of me. Most of these are like puzzles that are pre-made that you can add in, but some of them are like custom made that you can make your own, you can make yourself, I guess. So yeah, a lot of them are already pre-made, kind of pretty much. First of all, you have the water pressure puzzle, which is this puzzle. If you've never seen it, you turn all these and it adds pressure to this, and then this eventually comes off. That's the water pressure puzzle. You can add this to mods. And if you go into pipe splines, if you type in pipe or something, scroll up and see it's not. Yeah, it's not that one. Is it free? No, it's not free. 2, yeah. So you can add some splines, and I'll show you a video how to do splines. Sorry, I'll show you how to do splines in a future video. But it's like you're connecting up stuff, and you connect it. You can like bend it. You can do all this stuff with it. You could shape it whatever way you want. But we're not looking at that at the moment. See, that's that puzzle. This is a puzzle, really, a pretty good puzzle. There's going to be multiple parts of this. So if you want any ideas for puzzles in your mods, this series is the one for you, or this video, and the other ones are the one for you. Next up, we have the No Gun Door, which is used in Act 3. This one is used in Act 2, and this one's also used in Act 2. These two are both used in Act 2. But the No Gun Door is used in Act 3, and you don't know, you need the gun. So in order to you can't get the gun through there, and you have to do all this. You have to use all this puzzle, and you have this. I'm just set this to 5. So when next time I use it, doesn't like launch it over there. Profiles. With the No Gun Door, I'm just gonna save. Version crash. The No Gun Door is just you grab the gun, and no matter what you do, you can't get in. And if you make this short enough, you can't sprint through to like get it over in time. You have to like crouch to get under it, and then you're blocked. And by the way, if you throw the gun in, well, if you throw the gun in, it'll be locked, and you can't get it. You'll be locked out forever. So don't do that. In order to obey this, you have to go into the gears. I showed you how to connect this in the previous video. You connect, like, all these 3 are connected. You throw the gun in the gears, and then when this thingy connected to the gears, it spits it out right here. And in this case, this would be in front of the door. So you'd be in front of it with the gun, and you'd be like, haha, I've got the gun through here. And you do this rifle range puzzle, which I will show you how to do in a video. And that's another puzzle. the rifle range puzzle. It's from Act 3 as well. These two, again, all this technically counts as a puzzle, and this counts as a puzzle. This is like separate. It is kind of, I guess it is. And this all would be in front of here, so you need the gun by doing all this puzzle. By doing this puzzle, you need to throw the gun from that you get from, like, I don't know, another puzzle. It's like a puzzle chain, I guess. If you're holding onto the skateboard and the pillow. Over here, I've successfully made the match the picture puzzle. Even a custom little model here, custom little texture. It looks kind of edited. It's kind of easy to tell. Yeah, this is gonna be all the puzzles I'm gonna add to my mod. Then you have the red gramophone puzzle, which I'm sure you guys have heard seen from the tutorials. You use the red gramophone to shrink the plants for the music, and you get access to open the door. I don't know what's going into the door, but. And then you have the green gramophone puzzle, which is a bit more complicated to set up and to understand. I have two of them at the moment, but one of them is a bit different. So use the green gramophone to grow the plants to stop the apple shooters from shooting apples at the switches. And when they're all like changing, and the text here says off. And if they're all pointing this way, that means off, and the default state is off. And when you disable the shooters by growing the plants with the gramophone. You can flip them all to on and then access whatever you need. And then you have the glow. What's next? Oh, sorry, I'm not going in order. I know I'm not. I'm going like here. I'm like going all over the place. Next up on my list is the empty the water puzzle, which is this. This connects. Sometimes it can connect. It can to the water door. This door, and you have to empty the water to be able to open this door to be able to get the something. And you wouldn't use I'm learning how to do this, and a lot of this stuff you have in a tutorial at some point. But you need a custom water block, a custom water. It can't be BP underscore water or mill water, or it has to be custom. I looked through the code. I'll look through the code again. Go to edit. This looks complicated. It's not. There's not that much though. You can see the variables. You have the water block, and here you can define BP water cube. Then, if you look that up here, it's this one. It looks like nothing, but you have to manually select the size you want here. No, yeah, it takes a while. And with the water, you have to select like the door and the drainage type. Not have much time left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 5 so far. And then we have the heater and the water puzzle. This is used. Also, every single one of these will be in a video, and some of them I already have. So you turn this to the freezing mode, and this will turn into ice, and you can walk over it to get to somewhere. This is not in any of the acts in Hello Neighbor. It's like not used. That's 6. And then we have the rifle range, which is just which of these rifle range things. We have to go these things at the base, these golden things. We have to like you tick if it's on or off, you reset time, and you'd select like what should be on top of it so it can activate with the rifle range controller, which takes a while to set up and all this, but yeah. So that's the puzzles for this video. This is part 1. I'll see you in part 2 where I'll show you even more puzzles. My neighbor, so Bye. Subscribe, like, hit the bell.